Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix you can't connect to server in Battlefield 2042. So the first thing what you need to do here, you just need to go on Google and just write Battlefield 2042 server status and just go to down detector, and then you need to look for what time is it, and then you basically look for reports. So this means basically if there is a lot of reports that as you can see on the 4 a.m. Probably Battlefield has some server issues. So if you can't connect to servers, probably is not on your end but on theirs, right? So basically not much you can do about it, just wait. But if there is a lot of reports, first of all, what you need to do here, you need to just go to and test your internet speed, like on speedtest.net, and then if you have good internet speed, you're good to go. But if you don't, maybe limit some devices or restart your router, right? And if you have good internet speed, then another thing that you can do here, you just need to open up CMD or command prompt, run as administrator, and then here you need to write ipconfig/flush DNS, and then you need to write mesh winsock reset, and after that you need to just restart the computer and you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you need to go to settings, then you need to go to network and internet, advanced network settings, then press on more network and adapter options, just disable your internet for a couple of seconds and enable again. And after that you need to right click, go to properties, make sure internet protocol version 6 is disabled, and double click on internet protocol version 4. Select this option, use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server you need to write 8.8.4.4. Apply the changes, restart your computer, and the problem should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.